In this video, I will show you how to fix the Messenger notes feature not showing. So let's jump straight into it. Now, in order to do this, the first thing you're going to want to do is come into your phone settings. And from here, you want to locate your apps. So if you scroll down, there should be an option for apps. So you can see that's down here. Press onto the apps. And then what you want to do from here is go ahead and locate the Messenger app on your device. Next, go ahead and press onto the Messenger app. And then from here, what you're going to want to do is just scroll down until you get to the storage section. Go ahead and press onto this. And the first thing you're going to want to do is clear the cache and clear the data. So go ahead and press the buttons to clear the cache and data. And once that's done, the next thing you're going to want to do is make sure that you have the most up-to-date version of Messenger. So if you open up the Play Store or of course the iTunes Store if you're on an iPhone, and what you want to do is search for Messenger. And as you can see, there is a button that says update. So what you want to do next is go ahead and update the app on your device to make sure that you have the most up-to-date version of Messenger with the notes feature. So once you've gone ahead and done that and you've installed the most up-to-date version of Messenger, what you're going to want to do next is just simply go ahead, restart your device, and you should now be able to use the notes feature on Messenger. So that's how to go ahead and fix if the notes feature is not shown on Messenger. I hope this quick tutorial did help you out today, and if it did, I would really appreciate it if you was to consider dropping down below the video, leaving a like, and also subscribing to the channel. With that being said, I just want to take a minute to thank you guys for watching this tutorial, and I will see you in the next video.